just had to stretch. I just had to stretch. Oh my god!
Contact with enemy! Target down! Changing man! Cover me! Enemy contact! Changing mag! Cover me! I'm hurt! Reloading!
Enemy in sight.
Enemy in sight! Lost the lead.
Oh!
Reloading. I'm hot.
What?
Contact with enemy.
Rainbows and my huckleberry friend.
Enemy in sight. Enemy down.
Yes, yes,
We lost the lead.
yes, yes.
Tango down.
Enemy UAV spotted.
Enemy contact. Boom! Headshot.
Let me see if I can find the Toms real quick, dog. Cause this. No. How about no?
Headshot.
Oh my god.
Targets in sight. Target down.
Yes.
Targets in sight.
I got shot. Let me announce it.
Shot.
Oh. Oh, I died. Oh. I almost feel like in real war times, they wouldn't announce that they've been shot while they're still under fire and the enemy is like 2 feet in front of them. Maybe 1 at best. Like,
Enemy in sight.
I've been shot, I'm dying.
Tango down. Enemy down.
Enemy UAV spotted.
Reloading.
Like-
Cover me.
Imagine taking time just to announce that you're dying or you're shot, you're bleeding, instead of firing, and then you get shot one more time.
Bring it up, squad.
Targets in sight.
Like, homie just decides to give you
Target
another
down.
blessing
Lost the lead.
after you took time.
Reloading! Cover me! Target down!
Too close. Fight harder.
It's not close, it's edging. It's edging. You gotta edge it a little bit.
Enemy contact! Changing
Man,
mag!
get
Cover
back
me!
here. You goofy. You goof. Did you go up here? I think you did. Everybody goes up here.
Contact with enemy!
Buddy.
Tango down!
Okay.
Enemy down!
If you ever thought about kissing a man, you're gay. You're gay. That's why I think everybody's a little gay, because
Target
Strike
down!
is ready.
plenty of people have thought about kissing Ryan Reynolds on those fat, juicy lips, brother. This is now ASMR.
Reloading! Cover!
On what not to say in a video.
Mission accomplished. Good work.
I just... I just want to get this gun. Moon River. Ow. You ever just like lay down and like your entire body pops and stuff?
Deathmatch.
I'm old. I'm so old. 20 years old, going on like 2000. Brother, everything pops. Pop. Drop, pop, and lock it. Ooh.
Enemy contact! Enemy down!
Your mom has scurvy.
Back up! Changing mag!
Oh, yes. You come here. You come here, you sweet thing. Oh my god, you shot me. That kind of scared
Enemy
me.
in sight.
I'm Who else doesn't play this game for like seriousness? Like,
Contact with enemy.
oh my god! Jinkies.
Target down!
Like Scoob.
Targets in sight!
Lost the lead.
Tango down!
Dude, that person just got blessed. Holy
Tango
crap.
down!
Oh my god.
Enemy contact!
Oh. That person just got a fat kiss on the top of their head with a gun. Oh my goodness.
Changing mag!
I hear somebody walking around.
Target down!
That same person was seriously.
Enemy in sight! Enemy
Taking the
down!
lead.
Not happening. Monkey.
Target down!
Yes,
Contact with enemy!
yes, monkey. Going full on gorilla. I wonder if anybody's actually ever used a nail gun in war, or would it be? It couldn't be against the Geneva Convention, could it? I mean, it's gas powered, yeah, but you're not like gassing the people, so I mean, it can't be against the Geneva Convention, could it? I almost want to look that up, but I don't want to put that in my search history.
Target's in sight! Tango down!
Hey, Mom, I'm speaking Arabic.
Enemy UAV spotted.
I can speak Arabic fluently. Oh.
We've taken the lead.
Enemy in sight! Reloading! Target down! Changing mag! Contact with enemy! Enemy down!
On them. We're winning this one.
Tasty. I wish there was like an animation, like when you hit them with a nail gun.
Tango
Taking the
down!
lead. We're almost there. Keep it up.
Enemy down!
Like it nails them to the wall or something. I don't know, man.
Enemy in sight! Reloading, cover me!
UAV online.
Target down!
Heads up, team. Enemy UAV spotted.
Contact with enemy!